I also looking into creating more relationships with other amazing women in 2024, and possibly even creating an environment or a scenario where we could travel together and do things that I think we would enjoy doing together and experiences out there, because I think travel is just such a fascinating way to be outside of your normal routine and really get to know someone, a little bit better. That's going to be my focus, as well as continuing to be part of the groups that I already am. I'm part of Strategic Coach. I meet 60 to 100 entrepreneurs once a quarter that are amazing humans, running amazing companies, having amazing teams, having some incredibly innovative ideas, about how to create a positive impact. And so I want to be surrounded in all of that and really make sure that my frequency is at that level. Yeah. And